More fun in the backyard today, and I want to show you today how to make a stinging nettle pesto. It's all vegan and it's an amazing dish. It's hard to believe because when you hear stinging nettle you think, oh my god, it's a weed, it's gonna hurt me, it's horrible, but I'm going to show you today how to do it. So here are our stinging nettles and I'm going to harvest them. So of course they sting, right? A lot of people prefer rubber gloves. I just figured out a technique to do it without. Oops, there you go. And then, so we can capture them like this without touching them. And you want to have, well, it depends on how many people you want to feed with that. At least a couple cupfuls of stinging nettle. So I'm gonna get a couple more maybe. So stinging nettle, you maybe want to wonder, why are we wanting to eat stinging nettles? Well, stinging nettles are full of nutrition, full of minerals, iron, and very healthy for your liver and kidney. They're like a kidney liver tonic. And yeah, so we're going to head over to the kitchen now and see what we can do. So the first thing we want to do is rinse the nettles. Because there might be some bugs on there and we don't want to eat the bugs, right? So rinse them. Then we have to boil them for 1 minute. That takes the sting out of them. It's a very important step. Let's boil them. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to set my timer. Okay, and in the meantime, I'll show you what else we have here. We'll need a blender, some garlic, olive oil, some salt, and I use pumpkin seeds because I do not have the pine nuts in the house. And you can also use maybe sunflower seeds. You can get creative with that stuff. So the next step is strain it back in the sink because we'll have to strain the hot water in a moment. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna strain the water. Get the nettles. Huh? Good. And then we'll transfer them into our blender. Okay, so it's gonna be a really small portion. Add a couple garlic cloves, add the olive oil, and some sea salt, and our seeds. Alright, and I'm going to blend it. And our blender just died. Hooray! Okay, so that's the end of the story, I guess. Yep. Never mind. I'll show you the rest next time when we got a new blender. See you next time. Bye bye.